Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this BMW e90. This is a 2006 model, and I'm gonna be replacing these rear struts here that belong to the boot. They're definitely been leaking for a while, and when you close the boot here, it shuts very strongly, and it's a bit dangerous. So and this one here broke. Now these are not really that difficult to replace. All you have to do is remove the little metal here. Well, you don't have to remove it, you just need to pull it out a little bit. Right, I have a skinnier flathead, so we can fit it in there and take this little clamp out a little bit, like so. That will allow you to pull this out. So you'll be able to pull this out now, and in my case this is maybe going to fall because it's broken up here, but just pull it out like that, and then you get your new strut. And all you really need to do with these ones is push them in. Be honest, like so. Yeah. That's it. One is in. And we get the other one out as well. Just get the clip out. If you have your two hands, you can sort of manipulate the boot a little bit in order to loosen this a little bit, but if you haven't got your two hands, you may just have to do it this way. Okay, get the new one. Like before, just press it in and press it in there. That's it, that's going to lock itself. And that will be nice and secure now. So as you can see, that it sort of opens. Before, this was just going down by itself. At about this point, it was just slamming down, and a bit dangerous really if somebody's hand is there or whatever. Nice and smooth. So this is the original struts actually. Maybe that is the part number there. Maybe yes, maybe not. But these are widely available to buy online, eBay, Amazon. So having said that, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.